Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson on Learn Basic Vocabulary in Kashmiri. Remember, this is the 18th lesson of this series, and if you have not seen our earlier videos, we highly recommend that you check them out as well. All you have to do is to repeat after me. Let's get started. Ang, Ongul, Anjam, Anjur, Antaryami, Andaz, Akademi, Akal, Akal, अक्लमंद अक्लमंदी अक्सर अखबार अगर अगर मगर अगनबोट अच अचानक आंचार अजवैन जावेंद अजयबगर अजीज अजीब अजूब अटल अठनी अड अदब अदरक adl badal. That was it in today's lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.